with Tay Tay, y'all. I'm here with Sister Brittany, and we are. I'm not gonna put you on camera
because I'm looking rough, guys.
She looks beautiful. We are cooking. We're having a girls' day out, girls' day in. It's a view though. How amazing is that, y'all? The Gambia.
Show me the apartment real quick.
Sure. So, I'm gonna keep her behind me. But we are cooking. Look at this. I love this. This is like a island or a breakfast nook, right? Like a breakfast nook, right?
A bar.
Oh, a bar.
We just
Okay.
have all of our food up there.
Okay. Nice little kitchen. Nice size kitchen. Look at this. This is what I love. Washer. Okay, you stay behind me. This is the dining room area. I want to show the mirror, but I want you to walk past. You walked, okay. So, look at that. I love this mirror. It's so pretty in here, y'all. It has an air condition. This is a nice apartment. Has a TV. I have yet to purchase a TV, y'all. It really is funny. I have yet to purchase a TV, but I love the color palette. Absolutely love the color palette. Look at these ceilings. I know Nima Dia was talking about ceilings the other day. I love the ceilings in the Gambia. So she has a 2-bedroom. This is 1 bedroom. I love this balcony. Oh, wow. Does it adjoin?
Yes, it does.
Oh, that's nice. Now, oh, you got a bathtub. Oh, I want a bathtub so bad.
Get it.
The nice wardrobe. I love that. Okay, so I have no idea how to make sangria, but I'm gonna try. So me and my perfectionist behind, I didn't cut it up. Look. I wasn't supposed to cut the seeds and stuff out. So I just put this in here, yeah?
Just layer it, yeah. A little pineapple.
Okay. Oh, put pineapple in with it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me take some of these out. And then I have to cut the pineapple, right?
A couple of.
Oh. Do I have to take these off?
No. You
Just
can
throw
stick
it
it. Yeah, we washed it. Just throw it in there.
Okay.
That's probably enough because we don't have much. So rest apples is fine.
The rest is apples?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and then you did say it's fruity. You want me to put all these apples in here?
Sure.
You want me to eat some?
Eat it.
I'll save that one for myself.
And the wine is I think it's in the top.
Okay.
In the door.
Hey.
The one in the back.
Right here or here?
There, the black box.
Ah?
The black box.
What?
The other one.
Ah.
That's it.
I thought these were too juices. Look at that. Look at that. Let me stop. Shh, it's open.
Mm-hmm. I had to taste it to make sure it was good now.
I'll mop that up. My bad. So just pour it in?
Yes, ma'am. So sangria is just basically red wine and fruit.
Oh. Totally didn't know that. Are we going to throw vodka in here?
You can. You totally can.
It'll take away some of the sweetness. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's
I'm
not
always
much.
shaking stuff.
Look at her, guys. Bartender Tay.
My first sangria. I'll know next time. Don't take the seeds and stuff out.
You can put watermelon, oranges, anything you want.
So
but I didn't feel like cutting all that, but it's in there.
Oh.
Whatever you want
Oranges
to.
in there?
Huh?
I could throw some oranges in there.
Sure, whatever you want to do.
It's nice and fruity.
This is your thing.
Okay. So, thanks for watching. We will come back and show you the finished product. Jenny,
Girl, I'm ready. So we are here celebrating my marriage/engagement. So thank you guys for coming.
If you want to see what everything is, you want to really know, go to her channel, she'll break it down for you.
Oh my gosh.
That's all I do.
Y'all know I don't eat mac and cheese, but I'm about to tell this.